Hello students, in this video we are going to learn how to find the roots of a quadratic equation using quadratic formula. So the first step in finding the roots by using quadratic formula is to compare the equation with the standard quadratic equation, which is ax square plus bx plus c equals 0. So first we'll find a, b, c in our formula. If we compare the two equations, a is 2, b will be -7 and c here is constant 3. Our quadratic formula is minus b plus minus square root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a, and this gives the value of x, that is the roots of the equation. So now let's put the value of a, b, c in our formula and find the roots. So x equals negative b means negative times -7 plus minus square root of b square minus 7 or -7 square minus 4 times a is 2 times 3 divided by 2 times 2. Here we have two signs in the formula for two different roots. One root will come with positive sign and the other root will come with the negative sign. So now we have negative times negative is positive. So this is 7 plus minus square root of -7 square is 49 minus 4 times 2 is 8. 8 times 3 is 24 divided by 4, or x equals 7 plus minus square root of 49 minus 24 is 25 divided by 4, and square root of 25 is 5, so this will be 7 plus minus 5 divided by 4. Now we'll find the roots by taking the positive sign first. By taking the positive sign, so x will be 7 plus 5 divided by 4, which equals 12 divided by 4, which equals 3. And after taking the negative sign, the equation will be 7 minus 5 divided by 4, which equals 2 divided by 4, which equals half. So the two roots of the equation are 3 and 1 by 2. These are the two roots of the equation. This is our final answer. So this is how we find the roots using the quadratic formula. I hope this video is helpful to you. If you like the video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more math videos. Thanks for watching.